Volatility looms ahead of RBI and US data. In yesterday's trade, volatility returned, but Nifty's bull market remained intact for fifth straight day. Our call of the day suggests Dalal Street is likely to remain choppy in today's trade, as all eyes will be on 1. RBI MPC outcome policy decision on Friday, 6 December at 10 a.m. 2. The US, Friday's non-farm payroll numbers will take center stage, with the US economy projected to add 183k jobs. Too hot, number could sway Fed policy. So, the big question of the day, will RBI cut repo rates? RBI is expected to maintain status quo because of rampant inflationary pressures as the retail inflation last month shot towards 6.21%, exceeding RBI's 4 to 6% tolerance band. Also, the growth forecasts may also be revised amidst disappointing GDP figures where India witnessed a fall in GDP to multi-quarter low of 5.4% in Q2 FY25. The Indian rupee is too at record low. Net, the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das's commentary with respect to the timeline for beginning of rate cut cycle and growth forecast by the central bank will be watched keenly. Long story short, volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 8540 crores while DIIs sold shares to the tune of Rs 2304 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating rebound play. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 14.52 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.26 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 1.16. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to trade with positive bias. Crucial levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, CMP to 4708. Support, 24,600 to 24,550. Resistance, 24,800 to 24,850. Range, 24,550 to 24,850. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 53603. Support, 53,200 to 53,250. Resistance, 53,900 to 53,950. Range, 53,250 to 53,950. Bias, sideways to bullish. Need to know. The trading theme revolves around plenty of optimism for a strong year-end rally at Dalal Street. As things stand now, Nifty and Sensex are up 13.67% YTD, the S&P 500 is up 27% for the year, with Nasdaq up 27% and the Dow up 20%. The positive takeaway is that all bullish eyes now on the Santa Claus rally that suggests the idea that the final few days of December 2024 are a strong period for stocks. The positive catalysts for the day. 1. Once again, FIIs were net buyers in yesterday's trade. 2. The Dow Jones is flirting with psychological 45,000 mark, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq too grinding out modest advances to reach fresh all-time highs on prospect of A business-friendly administration under President-elect Donald Trump. B. A resilient US economy. C. Profit-boosting effects of the new AI investment wave. Buzzing stocks. 1. Zomato and Swiggy are in limelight. Zomato hit an all-time high at 304.65 and Swiggy was also up plus 4%. Please note, Swiggy's stock price has gained plus 33% since listing. Meanwhile,